Here's a sneak peek of a very special gift. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I'm just so delighted to do an unboxing today, and thank you to my wonderful members, Travelling Tramps and Simply Nanette. Please check out their channels. This is Kim from Kim's Creations, my very wonderful friend, and I'm so excited to have received the painting that she did for Steve and I for our 16th anniversary, Stargazer lilies made with love. So Kim and I did a collab together where Kim created a beautiful painting for me and Steve to celebrate our 16th anniversary. And look at the colours that she used. Really beautiful palette. Colours from the heart, and I could tell that it was made from love as I unwrapped it. Pink and green often associated with the heart chakra colours. I'd seen how meticulously she had wrapped it all up, and I was just so excited just to open it. But I wanted to open it really carefully because I could see how delicate it was. And I wanted to make sure that I didn't damage it in any way, shape or form. So I took it out of its package and there's a lovely note inside. So I undid the envelope, and inside the message read, ML and Steve, happy anniversary one last time for this year. ML, you are a light in my life and I'm so grateful we connected and are getting creative and sometimes silly together. I love our collabs and our daily chats and you. I hope you to enjoy this piece for years to come. With love, Kim. What a beautiful note. I was so touched by it, and Kim and I have just become such good friends. I'm so blessed to have her in my life. So let's get ready for the unveiling of this beautiful piece. I'd seen it painted on her channel and now I was going to see it for real. I was so excited. Really wanted to rip it open, but I just thought, go steady, go steady. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely stunning. And you can see those colours that Kim has so beautifully put onto the canvas. Can you see the colours there? And the canvas in real life. I'll show you in a moment the canvas on different coloured backgrounds and how it looks in our house. But I was just marvelling at the detail of it and the beautiful resined leaves and the petals. And I was trying to think about all the colours that Kim had used, especially the pinks, because I could just see the contrasting and the beautiful stamens and all of the detail. It was just so beautiful and just so exciting. So I thought, oh, where should I put it? It's got to go in a really lovely place. You know, when you touch your painting for the first time that's been handmade and you just want to get a sense of what it feels like and what it looks like. And I was thinking, oh, I don't want to get my fingerprints on this. And I looked at the back and she'd put some beautiful Dive rings on and a lovely piece of wire, really professionally backed. Because it was a mixed media piece, she'd put cardboard in to protect it, and she'd also sent it like that, so I could just slip out the cardboard and I could see her lovely Kim's Creations signature. She'd dated it, so it'd be such a special memory. I just looked at how she'd resined the leaves. And then I wanted to look at the colour and how the background was this beautiful greens and white and the delicate pink in the background. There she is, the superstar. So I want to show you now. This is the painting that was finished on the outside wall in Kim's place in Arizona. You see the light and the differences, and you can see the colour and how it looks outside, and how light has a different impact on things, and how green the leaves are. The stamens are very, very slightly different. Just a touch of another colour in it to give that contrast. They're so lifelike, and These are our absolute favourite flowers. So she's got this down to an absolute T. I didn't realise how resined they were and how beautiful it makes them stand out. What a clever idea as well, resining only part of the painting. This was a real surprise to me, and it just makes the flowers pop and shine, and it makes the background such an ethereal, beautiful, natural colour. Don't you think it's such a clever idea? So I feel inspired by this, and I know in the future I want to try something like this, and it's given me an idea, so I'm going to have to mention this in a future painting coming up. What an amazing mixed media piece. And it came all the way from Arizona to Cornwall, UK. If you think about when you make a present for someone and you do it from something you've created yourself, the impact that has on someone else, it's such a heartwarming thing to do. And I'm going to hold this precious for a long, long time. And so is Steve. If you look in the background, you can see that she's used some of the pinks from the flower very, very subtly and very cleverly. And it's not overpowering, so it allows the flowers to be the star of the show. And I really want to have another closer look every day at those stamens. I don't know how she did them, but they look like real flowers. Would love to know if you've done a piece like this and what you've used for your mixed media, because as you grow and develop in your art and your creativity, there are no bounds to where you can go and what you can use. So have faith in whatever you do. And whether you're doing this for a commission or whether you're doing it for a friend, for a gift, it's such a precious thing for you to be able to give to someone. If you have seen any of her other work, you'll know how talented she is. So I'd love to encourage you to go and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the all so you get notified of all the different things that come up, and then every week when she puts videos out, you'll be notified, and it's free to do so.
Hi Kim, just wanted to say thank you so much for this wonderful piece of artwork that you sent us. It's absolutely beautiful. It's our favourite flower. And it is just wonderful. It will take pride of place in our house.
So that was a little snippet from Steve, who wanted to thank you personally as well. And I just want to show you up close on our sitting room wall, beautiful piece of art made with love from Kim is now sitting in our home. Thank you so much for being here today for this wonderful unboxing of this beautiful heartfelt gift. The links for both of our original piece creations and both of our unboxings will be in the description below. And don't forget that Kim changes her name from Kim's Creations to Kim's Art Alchemy from the 1st of August 2024. Let's go along and see Kim's unboxing now of the Galaxy Paw that I created for her and sent from Cornwall, UK all the way to Arizona. Look how excited she was. Thank you so much for being here. Lots of love to you all. Thank you so much to my members, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. It does mean a lot and it really helps to support my channel. Have a great day now, and don't forget your art is a piece of you. Take care. See you soon, I hope. Bye.